Hi everybody, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I create for you very easy eye look for beginner. I'm using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Estee Lauder, and I will show you step by step, very easy step, how to create this look. And almost all products today it's gonna be Estee Lauder because you can find everywhere. And of course, if you reach me, I will send you from my Nordstrom Tampa store, and it's free shipping. Okay, follow me on Instagram, comments below, please like my video, it's very important for me. Okay, let's start. Today we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Estee Lauder, color very neutral, subtle, and it's perfect for people who just start using eyeshadow, or I will say it's a beginner look today. I'm gonna use first, it's a MAC eyeshadow primer. Your eyeshadow gonna stay all day long, not crease, not run, and it's okay, I don't have any foundation on my skin, because when you're beginner, when you apply an eyeshadow, sometimes eyeshadow falling like on your entire face. Do eyes first, clean, and then we will do concealer and foundation. Second step, we're gonna use this beautiful like lightly shimmer eyeshadow, and we are gonna apply right here, and this is where we wanna highlight your eyelid. This is the most area where you wanna apply your shimmer. Second step, same light color we're gonna apply under your eyebrow bone. And now we have two highlighted area with you, right here and right here. Again, this is video, it is for beginner, it's nothing crazy, but I'm teaching you step by step. Now we're gonna use this beautiful peachy matte eyeshadow, and it will be your first middle color. I use a very small brush and applying this darker eyeshadow close to my lashes and between my lashes. Same dark eyeshadow we're gonna apply on the bottom lashes, on my low bottom lashes, very softly, halfway, to make my eye much more bigger, and also will open my eye and give me this beautiful sexy look. Same dark eyeshadow going up, fill your little bit bone, and I apply a little bit more up. There is my crease, because this eye area it's closed and I want a little bit more open mine. This is why I apply above this area, above my crease. And now with this another softer brown color, we are blending. One more time I'm gonna go with this dark color. For my liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna use Chanel Brown eyeliner, and it's liquid 522. Now I'm gonna show you very easy application of liquid eyeliner. You just press press close to your eyelash line. Turn and put little bit on a corner. Because it's a soft brown, if you little bit mess up, it's not gonna show up. Now I'm gonna wet my little Q-tip with Estee Lauder eye makeup remover, and I like to clean my eye area and give me this beautiful eyelids, like soft sharp. Also clean a little bit under your eyes. Can you see how much eyeshadow fall out? How it's dirty? This is why you want to do your eyes first. Few more steps even done. LANCôME primer. Now I'm gonna use Sumptuous Extreme Mascara from Estee Lauder. My eyes, it's done. I hope it's very easy. I guide you step by step. Now we're gonna use Estee Lauder Nutriv foundation. It is $105. It's humidity proof. It's also color true, long wearing foundation, and give you nice beautiful radiance glow. Okay, let's see. Today I'm gonna use TRISH MCEVOY foundation brush, but don't know why I feel it I wanna use this flat brush. Also, again, this foundation have 20 SPF. It's medium to full coverage, and let's see how it's gonna layer my skin, how color will cover my little bit pigmentation. Also for concealer, we're gonna use double wear concealer. Okay, so far I do not like use flat brush. I feel like I need to go back to my TRISH MCEVOY brush, foundation brush, or Bobbi Brown. Okay, let's buff this to my skin. Yeah, definitely it's better. It's showing it's a moisturizing foundation. It actually feels a little bit dry on my skin. I definitely don't feel it's giving me enough moisture. On my skin it feels dry, but again, everybody have a different skin. Now we're gonna use concealer, double wear, stay in place concealer from Estee Lauder. 1, 2, 3, like letter V. Color which one I use it's number 1N light neutral. I feel like I need to use my beauty blender under my eyes to blend this concealer with my foundation. I do like this concealer. It's really bright my eye area. Foundation and concealer ready on my face. Now I'm gonna use double wear. It's foundation powder, but I'm using very small amount to set my makeup, because you want your makeup stay all day long, not run, not crease. Now let's do the contour, and I'm gonna use this beautiful bronze from Estee Lauder, and I like it because it's big, it's pretty, it's a gorgeous case, and it's 3 colors together from your ear to your lips. And I'm using TRISH MCEVOY brush, and this is it's a fan brush number 62. And a little bit close to my hairline. Bronze make big beautiful difference, just give you a life, bring you to life. And now let's do my second chin. Yeah, after 40 you need to do this, girl. Little bit sharp your age. Also, you can do a little bit nose. Yes, I see so much like YouTubers spending like 1 hour to create a nose. But I just like this, use small brush, and that's it. It's so easy. And again, I do not have really makeup, too much makeup look. Now I have a little bit powder left, and I'm gonna use on entire my face one more time all over my bronze to solve this sharp look. And for blush, we're also gonna use beautiful Estee Lauder blush 310. It's so pretty and peachy. Love it. Love this color. And highlighter from Estee Lauder. Also, I will tell you, I might feel my skin feels a little bit dry, maybe because I don't have enough moisture, or I feel this foundation, it's not give me enough like hydration, and I'm combination too oily. But also it's the weather, it's like cold outside, and sometimes when it's so cold outside, my skin not is oily. Okay, here I'm gonna use a little bit highlighter first. Ooh, it's very intense. Be careful, girls. But it's very pretty. Check it out. This is how pretty. I love this highlighter. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my god. It smells like so good. They also Estee Lauder have like a product body cream summer, and it's usually it sells in summer, like a summer collection. Oh my god, it's so good. And this is a highlighter Modern Mercury 03 Bronze Goddess. I love this. I highly recommend this highlighter. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, same brush I will use for this beautiful blush, and it's like it's a peachy blush. Again, it's a peachy passion 310. Little bit on my brush. Smile. So pretty. Wow. Also, I have a little bit left over blush here, and I like to go on top of my eyeshadow because I like to solve this and my eyes connect with my blush. And for lips, we are gonna use beautiful lipstick from Estee Lauder. Look at this beautiful color. And it's number 208 Blush Crush Pure Color NV, and it's a matte color. To me, I don't feel it's really matte. Personally, it looks like very creamy and rich lip color. And for lip liner, I'm gonna use Stay in Place waterproof lip liner number 04 Rose. After using this lip color, yes, it is matte, it feels a little bit dry. I'm gonna put on top lip gloss from Christian Dior, beautiful shimmer number 465. My looks, it's finished, but I really need to tell you, girls, I looking right now under my eyes this concealer, and it's so crisp bad under my eyes. I think if your skin oily, it's a perfect concealer, but if you're a little bit dry, I will not suggest. It's really showing all my lines and wrinkles. Maybe not on camera, but in real life, it's not a concealer personal for me. Okay, if you have any question, please message me, follow me on Instagram. I do like eyes. I think it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette, and all products I will listed below, and you can reach me. I can send you style board, Nordstrom style board with all these products, and I will get credit and you will get your purchase. Okay, love you all, and I feel it's already spring here. It's an easy look I create just for you for spring.